ikiwa na vile katiba yetu ya Kenya inasema.
Now, ICT Principal Secretary John Tanui says the local assemblies are aimed at easing access to cheaper digital devices. Tanui said Safaricom was among the biggest in production of locally assembled digital devices. Now, the PS said other digital technology manufacturers will be encouraged to set up manufacturing plants in the country to increase production and further lower prices of devices. His remarks came in the wake of reports that the digital devices were still expensive for a majority of Kenyans. The Jitume digital hubs were launched at Rift Valley Technical Training Institute and Kipkabus TVETs.
These are very critical for our digital superhighway initiative to unlock opportunities for our youth in the digital space. We are also accelerating connectivity in the country to ensure each of these digital hubs are connected with fiber. In this region, we have already connected over 51 institutions, and we are in the process of connecting another 100 of them through an arrangement now we are doing with Kenya Power, where we are laying fiber over the Kenya Power line.
It's achievable, but it's going to be a journey, of course, to get there. And we are glad that the government is providing that platform for the young people and the private sector, like and other companies, like even Samasos coming in on board to do provide these opportunities and show these young people how to get these opportunities. And they're there in diversity, from professional services, and then we also in machine learning aspects.
Let's now head to Kitale, where the last day of a 3-day Muklima Expo Kitale edition